today's design idea is called color blocking. Let's get started. This entire room is painted Clark & Kensington's eggshell interior paint in heads or tails. It's a beautiful color that's very soothing and peaceful, but I'm looking to add some personality to this space. So I'm going to paint a stripe on the wall. Not a little stripe, but a really big, wide stripe. I chose the same paint, but I had it tinted Clark & Kensington's color Olive Tree. This dark color is a great accent to really make this stripe stand out in the room. The first thing I want to do is fill any holes with spackle. Once the spackle is dry, use a light 120 grit sandpaper to make it smooth, and then wipe the whole wall clean. The next thing I need to do is mark off my top and bottom lines of the stripe. There are two ways to get a straight line. You can use a laser level or a chalk line. The laser level is a great way to project the line on the wall and then apply your painter's tape on the projected line. I like using frog tape. Its strong adhesion makes it ideal for painting straight lines. Once your lines are straight and taped, it's time to paint. Start by trimming the area with a 3 or 4 inch synthetic brush along the painter's tape, and then with a 3/8 snap roller, paint in between the two lines. While the paint is a little tacky, remove the painter's tape. There you go, your own personal piece of art right there on your wall. You can do anything when it comes to color blocking. There's no right or wrong. Keep watching for another great color blocking video that I used in the garage.